Yes, praise God. Heka undu ndirenda turutane muthenya wa umuthi ari Sunday, na ndirenda turutane kaundu kegie location na position. They are two different things. Mauna maundu meri matiganite. Kiambiriria ithatu muhari wa kenda. Adamu riria arire itunda areherwo ri ni mathire na makihitha. Nake Ngai oka ri akimuria Adamu, weha. The problem was not where he was at that moment. The problem was his possession, not location. Tondu Ngai ni omnipresent, gutiri handu atonaga na gutiri handu atari. Hau uriri thini wa location iri uriri no ko we thini wa kanitha. For example, tuge we thini wa kanitha witagwo ABCD. That is the right location area Ngai arenda ukorwo ri. But the position in that church, is it wrong or right? Are you in the right position? Na position area ufati gukorwo ri itwaranaga na mission area Ngai akuhete. Maybe your position is an evangelism. Praise the name of the living God. No korege position yaku ri ni kutwara kiugo kia Ngai. Koguo ucio niguo wira uria Ngai akuhete, and that is the position in that church. Then you are organization kana like an example na family. Riki ni wathie wahika thini wa family fulani na family yo mandugu acio matiguanaga. That is your right location. Family ni yo ri ni your right location, but your position is being a mediator between the two brothers and sisters. That is your possession. No ukoraga andu kana andu amwe ri ni makinyire in the right location, no tukiriganirwo ni the position, the mission God sent us to do. Koguo undu uria turabatara gwika ri ni kumenya the position area Ngai atuhete, haria tubati gukorwo turi no uria tubati gukorwo gwika kana tugika. So murata wakwa na murata wa Mwathani menya wa umuthi ndirenda ukorwo ukihoya Ngai akumenyithie position yaku thini wa